Howdy everybody. I was just gonna make a quick one real quick. Man, I thought maybe they were gonna come back. There were a couple cool fighter jets cruising around. I don't know if y'all can hear that or not, but they're making their laps right now. I looked up right before I turned the camera on. There, I could see the remnants of a flare. Just a little puff of smoke out there that wasn't supposed to be there. So they're playing, they're practicing. That's very cool. And speaking of practice, let's get a little practice in real quick. See how we're doing. Well, that makes me feel good. That was the first time that I got through a whole mag and didn't miss once. Well, I'm glad you guys get me out here so I can do this. Because you saw, man, I'm getting better every time I come out. There's remnants of another flare I see. Might be nice to get a sonic boom. Looking up into the wild blue yonder. I don't know if y'all can see anything, but there's a couple puffs of white smoke. Those are flares. And I've seen the planes right in the general vicinity. See one heading towards me and he's banking. I don't know if y'all can see that or not. And if I zoom in any, it ain't gonna help. There's the other one on a hard bank. The opposite way. They're kind of together now. And he just rolled. Banked out. They're playing chase. Right into the sun. So you can't see anything. I'm not even sure what kind of planes they are. Some kind of trainers or something. They're not F-15s, I know that. Kind of look like an F-14, I think. Or the F-16, I'm not sure. But they'd be flying around out here. Yeah, you can definitely hear them rumbling. Pretty cool, man. Every once in a while we'll get a big old sonic boom. Go ahead and crack your windows in your house. So anyways, well, that's kind of an added bonus. I hope it comes out and at least in the audio that y'all can hear that. Since we weren't able to get it in the, probably y'all wasn't gonna be able to see that. The glare's so bad on this phone, I can't point it and show y'all what's going on and zoom and do all that good stuff. But anyways, thanks for hanging out. Just wanted to get a see how we're doing. I'm liking the Hillbilly High-Vis is serving a purpose and it's working good. If you have no idea what I'm talking about, well, you can just go back to the playlist. On playlist, there'll be one of the playlists titled "Shooting the Stuff," and then you can go watch all the little pew pew videos. But anyways, guys, I gotta go. Have a great day. We will see y'all later.